Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, what we're doing today, we're going to be collecting some Nigella seeds. And you can see here, I have some of these labeled for collecting seeds from them. And we have quite a bit here. Some of these, most of these, are going to be getting cut. But I do have some saved for just specifically for seed saving. So you can see this pod here is starting to break open. And this one here, these were all volunteer seedlings. So I just left them go because I just left these go because I wanted these for seed saving and for cutting. So I have my little container here. And you can see some of the seeds inside here. Go. And this is a recycled container. It had fruit in it one time and we just washed them out. They're great for seed saving and different projects that you do. And you can see these have little chambers in them here, and your seeds get stuck down in there. So you just want to kind of break this apart here. Oh. So I finally got this pod here empty. And you can see we have our seeds here. I'll have to take some of the chaff out. So we have our Nigella seeds here, and I tried to get most of the chaff out from them. And I'm going to be putting these in one of these little bags here. And these, you can find these in the jewelry departments, like where they have the beads at and stuff, because they use these for crafting and different things. But I find that they work great for seed saving. You can just seal them up then, and you don't have to worry about the seeds falling out like you do with the envelopes when you use them. So I put these in here. I have it labeled on the other side. I usually put down the name, the color, and the year that it was harvested. You can also put down, if you choose to, where you harvest it from, like if you have different areas where you're collecting seeds from. Sometimes you can, if you get like a crop failure, you can know more of where it came from. But this is the majority of the place where I have these growing at. And you can see some of these have these beautiful purple stripes on their pods. And other ones are the plain green. So I do have these labeled differently. And these were all volunteer seedlings. So Nigella does readily self-seed itself. I planted these in here about, I think it was 2 years ago. And they've been coming back on their own ever since, which is fine with me because then I don't have to plant them or plant as many of them. So my seeds here are going to get stored in a cool, dark location. I choose to store mine in the refrigerator. Where you choose to store yours is up to you. I just store mine in the refrigerator. I have for years. So this is part of my heirloom open pollinated seed saving project that I started last year. And I'm continuing it into this year. I'll have a link at the end of this video that you can check out and you can see what that's all about. I'm starting my seed saving early this year because last year I started a little too late and I didn't get all of the varieties collected that I wanted to. So this year I'm making sure that I'm starting it early so I don't have the issue I had last year. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.